some balance, and there needs to be regulation which doesn't kill innovation. Because provisions like this, one, I don't know how they can be implemented, and secondly, endorse the monopoly of money and kill, any source of free market or competition. Is it all doom and gloom? No, it's not all doom and gloom. In spite of all that is happening, crypto is on the rise. There's a lot of institutional interest. There's a lot of traditional players stepping into crypto. You have countries regulating crypto and basically making crypto a legal tender. So, there is obviously a lot of potential, and I don't think that regulations will outright kill the markets or anything like that. However, I really believe that there needs to be better lobbyists, better education, and more communication. So on this note, I'd just like to end 1 minute on a bit of a philosophical note. So there used to be a time in the 1500s, 1600s, 1700s, in certain countries like Scotland, certain countries like Chile, certain countries, states in the US, where central banks didn't exist yet, and where payment systems depended on efficient payment systems, free from inflation, free from government control, and everything worked perfectly. So why did central banks come into the picture? This is because governments realized they can leverage borrowing cheap cash to pay off government debts, and this is the sole purpose of why central banks came into the picture. So basically, history has taught us that we are in the current state of play because governments have chosen the state of play and not because of the free open market. So I believe even though we should regulate certain aspects or certain stable coins, it should be up to the consumer at the end of the day to decide how and where they want to hold their assets. So do you think it will be a case of first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win? Thank you.